All right, so in this case, once again, what I would suggest you do is imagine your parent function. It's this cube root again, so you're looking at this kind of S shape as your parent function. And now let's go through and see what each of these individual parts do. And it's easiest to me just to work from right to left. So the plus 5 on the end is a vertical shift, so that means this is going up 5. So this critical point right here, which is the original point that passes through the origin, gets moved up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, inside your function is the horizontal shift. Okay, the shift that occurs is the value of x that would give you a 0 inside that function. So what value of x would give you a 0 in here? So negative is to the left, so it's left 5 is your horizontal shift. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point gets shifted up 5 and over 5. So we can plot that point. And now if we look out in front, we have a negative, so that means there is going to be a reflection. And the reflection is going to be vertically or across the x-axis. Okay, so what that means is instead of this graph opening up and to the right, it's going to open down and to the right. Instead of it opening down and to the left, it's going to open up and to the left. Okay, and then the final step is to look at the number. Again, disregard the sign when you're looking at this. If it's greater than 1, you're dealing with a stretch. If it's less than 1, it's a shrink. 2 is greater than 1. So we're looking at this function being stretched. It means it's going to get bigger faster, get smaller or lower faster. Okay, so we flip this. Instead of it going up and to the right, it's going to go down and to the right. And then on the other direction, instead of going down and to the left, it's going to go up and to the left. So this would be what your function or your graph looks like. So if you were finding all the different pieces of information, the domain and the range, again, since it's a cube root, it's all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity for both of those. If you were looking for left and right endpoints, because it extends infinitely, okay, along this domain and the range, there's no endpoint. So you'd write none for each of those. Okay, and then you'd identify the different shifting here.